Make a great choice today with the 2021 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, compass. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.